I've watched over 10 videos covering more than 100 passive income ideas. That's right, over 100 ways to earn money while you sleep. But let's be honest, not all of them are worth your time. So, I've sifted through the noise and pulled out the gems for you. Before we dive into the top 10, let's quickly go over the ideas that didn't make the cut and why. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The top 10 passive income streams for 2024, counting down from 10 to 1. 10. Vending machines, snacks and stacks. Vending machines may sound old-fashioned, but they're still a solid way to generate passive income. Place them in high-traffic areas like office buildings, schools, or gyms, and you've got a steady stream of cash. The best part? They work while you don't. The initial investment can be significant, but with smart placement and focusing on trending products like healthy snacks, the payoff can be sweet. 9. Crowdfunded real estate. Property for the people. Crowdfunded real estate allows you to invest in big properties with a small budget. It's like owning a slice of a luxury hotel or apartment building without the hassle of managing tenants. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make this type of investment accessible to everyone, starting with as little as $500. 8. Creating an app. The digital goldmine. Got a unique app idea? Whether it's a game or a productivity tool, apps can generate significant revenue through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. Though it takes upfront effort to develop and market, once an app gains traction, it can generate a consistent income stream. The key is a great idea, a smooth user experience, and smart marketing. 7. YouTube. Lights, camera, income. Starting a YouTube channel can be an excellent way to earn passive income. Once you have a library of videos, they can continue to earn ad revenue and attract sponsorships. It takes time and consistency to build an audience, but a video created today can keep earning for years to come. 6. Print on demand, merch madness. Design something amazing and let the internet do the rest. Print on demand allows you to sell t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. Websites like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon handle everything from printing to shipping. All you need is an eye-catching design and some smart marketing. 5. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates are fantastic for passive income. Create them once, and they can sell indefinitely. Platforms like Udemy and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell your products. With the right marketing, this can be a highly scalable source of income. 4. Dividend stocks. Money. While you sleep. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a time-tested way to generate passive income. The key is to invest in companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Reinvesting dividends through DRIPS can compound your returns over time, allowing your wealth to grow while generating regular income. 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Property made. Easy. REITs allow you to earn a share of property income without being a landlord. They typically own and manage commercial real estate, and by law, they must pay out 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, making them an excellent option for income-focused investors. 2. Affiliate marketing. The easy entry point. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for sales made through your link. It's a great option if you have an engaged audience on social media, a blog, or YouTube. The key is promoting products relevant to your audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale make it easy to find products to promote. 1. Creating online courses. Teach and earn. And finally, the top passive income idea for 2024 is creating online courses. If you have expertise in any field, from cooking to coding, you can create a course and earn income for years to come. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to reach a global audience, and once your course is up, it becomes a steady source of income with minimal ongoing effort. So there you have it, my top 10 passive income ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or eventually escape the 9-to-5 grind, these options offer something for everyone. Start small, Find what works for you and scale up. Who knows? You might be saying goodbye to that cubicle sooner than you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more insights on building wealth.